Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to face fuzzy sound from laptop or PC. So to do that, let's head over to our search section right here. And in here, search for device manager. And you can also navigate it from control panel. So once you're in your device manager, go for adapters or your portable devices. You can also search for any sound or video or game controllers. So I'm just checking this one. Make sure these are updated and go to properties. Now make sure it is working properly. So if they are okay, then cancel it. And from here, you can just search for portable devices. And if you found them okay too, go to you can find any USB device in here. So what you need to do is just to make sure you enable that USB device and update that properly. So once you are done with it, you have to go to your search section, search for control panel and go there. From here, go to mid hardware and sound and go to sound. In here, go to your microphone and test it if it is working, and you can also test it from properties. Now just go to listen and try to listen with your microphone. Is the buzzing sound is now coming? Then you might need to restart your PC again and this may get solved. And hopefully this will solve this problem. And yeah, we'll see you in the next video.